Welcome to Valerie's Kitchen. This is a short video on how to make Italian meringue buttercream, and we're going to flavor ours with chocolate. This is really easy. Come on in, have a seat. Italian meringue buttercream is soft and silky and is almost the same as Swiss meringue buttercream. It's made the same way, but I'd say it's a more exact, more like a science. First, we make the meringue part. In a stand mixer on medium-high speed, whip the egg whites to a soft peak. While you're doing this, heat the sugar and water to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Take the sugar mixture and drizzle it into the bowl right where the whisk is making a trough in the egg whites. Don't let it hit the whisk because the sugar will spritz all over the bowl in teeny shards, making lumps in your meringue. Whisk until the meringue comes to room temperature or the same temperature as the butter. This is key. You can speed the cooling down process by sticking the entire bowl and whip attachment into the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out and whip it back into the ooey gooey goodness. The important part here again is to make sure it's the same exact temperature as the butter. Just one check. 65, 70, and 67. Good, yep. We're gonna put in all of our butter one chunk at a time. If your butter's too cold, it won't mix in and you'll get like a cottage cheese looking mess. If that happens, warm the bowl enough so the mixture begins to melt around the edge. Then whip it back into shape. You might have to do this several times until the mixture comes back to smoothness. And don't forget to celebrate the last chunk. Then add in your melted and cooled chocolate. Make sure the chocolate is the same temperature as the mixture. If it's not, your chocolate can solidify and form teeny chunks in your frosting. And that's it. It'll keep for 1 to 2 days at room temperature and 5 days in the refrigerator. This is handy to know if you bake in stages where you make your sponge on a weeknight, buttercream Friday night, and decorate Saturday morning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you try it at home, I'd love to hear from you. And stick around and watch the Swiss meringue buttercream video. It's short too.